everyone! Welcome back to a new vlog. So this is a baking vlog. I am gonna make a cake and cupcakes on a bride-to-be theme. So let's go into the video. Let's start making the cake batter. Add butter and sugar and mix well. Now let's add the egg one by one and mix it very well. Now I'll add 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence seed mix. Now I will add flour little by little and mix well. The batter is ready now. Let's start weighing the batter and divide it into cake trays. And let's back I have taken 2 trays of 7 inch and I will divide the batter equally to the trays. And the remaining batter is to the cupcakes. I'm gonna bake 30 cupcakes from the remaining batter. I will scoop 1 scoop of batter for each liner. So done with the cake. Next let's start the process of baking. So now the baking is done. Let's start decorating the cake. First I have started to sandwich each layers of the cake. Now I'll come coat it and I will keep it in refrigerator for 10 minutes. Done crumb coating. Now let's frost the cake with buttercream. Let's start frosting the cupcakes. I have used 1 nozzle for frosting. So now let's start decorating the cake. Thank you for watching. Let's meet again on a new video. Before that, don't forget to like, share and comment on this video. And don't forget to hit that subscribe button. Bye bye.